Hello folks and welcome back. So today I want to show you all about trademarks. So if I click on trademarks, okay, this is the trademarks page within eToro. So trademarks are groups of stocks. For example, here you have crypto, ETFs, stocks, indices, commodities and currencies. So for example, if I click on stocks, you can then see, okay, all the groups of stocks. For example, here you have London stocks. Here you have technology stocks. If I scroll down, you have more stocks. Consumer goods stocks, services stocks. Okay, if I scroll down more, financial stocks and healthcare stocks, and more. So if I go up, for example, to technology stocks, you can see that you have 6. If I click on view all, you can then see all the stocks. How many stocks? 218 stocks. Which stocks? Technology stocks. And they're all listed in alphabetical order. So if I click on, if I go and see Adobe, okay, here you have Adobe stock. Yesterday it was up by 0.72%. Okay. Actually, because the stock market is open now, okay, this is what it's doing today. Here you can see a graphical representation of the stock for 1 day or 1 week, see, or 1 month. So here you can see a quick overview of what is done over 1 month and how much it's grown by. So if I change it back to day, here you can see, okay, for example, buy and sell, another video. Here you have selling. This at the moment is not working. I'm not sure why. So if I scroll down, here you have AMD. All the same information. So if I click on AMD, okay, you are then presented with the AMD stock. You have feed, stocks, charts, research, etc. I'll be showing you a special video all about this in the future videos. So if I go back, so if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, okay, this is the last stop for that page. If I click on next, you have another page full of stocks. If I scroll up, so it will continue. You have many pages there of stocks. So if I go back to trademarks, and if I want to see, for example, for currencies, okay, these are all the currency stocks. It is the same looks and feels as the one before. So if I go to trademarks, and then here you have featured markets, and also you can use these arrows, okay, for more. So then if I click on Google, it will then open Google. You have market movers, you have crypto coins, okay, technology, etc. And then if you click on view more, you can then see more of those stocks. So what happens if I want to search for stock, but this way it will be taking guys a long time to find a stock. Here you can search for any stock you like. For example, if I type in Apple, push enter, or if you like you can click on it, it will then go to the Apple stock. Again, you have feed, stats, charts, research button. So if I go to trademarks again, and if I search for another one, for example Amazon, push enter, it will then go to Amazon stock. So that's how to, okay, search for stocks. So I just wanted to show you that, okay. So in the next video I want to show you about the portfolios, your portfolio in eToro. So I hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you next time. See you later folks, bye.